What it is, what it do, man? It's your boy CWitdaSkii, CWitdaSkiis, man. Hey, here back with another video, man. Today, I'm here with another reaction video, man. We're finna react to that Hurricane Wisdom's questions, man. Hey, y'all know how I feel about Hurricane Wisdom. Her music is fire, man. But I'm straight into this. It's my first time listening to it. I know it's probably not y'all's. I don't fake none of my reactions. We're finna hop straight into this. Let's go.
Oh my god, here goes Wild.
Do you love me? Do you need me? It's fourth quarter, why the fuck we playing defense? Do you trust me? Do you mean it? Baby, where you?
It's fourth quarter, why the f playing defense? Baby, stop playing. What you doing? It's fourth quarter, why we playing defense? Come on now.
Hard that, you seen it. No, I tend to fall back when I'm finished. But you don't even call back, you so. You don't even call back, you so evil. You run around doing showers like you famous. And you don't like to show your hand, I don't mean it. But who told your people that we? Baby, you told your people that we made it. In the coupe door, it feels like you dangerous. In the coupe door, it feels like a stylist. You don't want loud, just be honest. Don't want my questions, I'll be honest. But girl, I got some questions for you. Do you love me? Do you need me? It's fourth quarter, why the fuck we playing defense? Do you trust me? Do you mean it? Baby, where your heart at? You seen it? No, I tend to fall back when I'm finished. But you don't even call back, you so.
Hey man, this man Hurricane Wisdom, bro. I swear, I've never heard no bad song for Hurricane Wisdom, man. I must keep saying, bro. Hey, man, make good music, bro. Y'all better keep tapping in. Keep tapping in, bro. This boy Hurricane Wisdom, man.
You don't even call back, you so evil. You run around doing showers like you famous. But who told your people that we told your? Baby, you told your people that we made it. Baby, you told your people that we made it.
Oh my god, here goes Wild.
Yeah, man. Hey, Hurricane Wisdom. Another banger, bro. Questions. If there's any videos y'all want me to react to, just leave it in the likes, comments, subscribe. Till next time.